Can Apple TV be shared? Yes, Apple TV can be shared in multiple ways, including family sharing, multiple profiles, and simultaneous streaming. Apple allows users to share Apple TV devices, Apple TV Plus subscriptions, and purchased content with family members. 1. Sharing Apple TV Plus via family sharing. Apple TV Plus can be shared with up to 6 family members through family sharing, allowing everyone to watch with their own profile. How to set up family sharing for Apple TV Plus. Step 1. Go to Settings on your Apple device. Step 2. Tap Apple ID, then select Family Sharing. Step 3. Tap Set up your family and invite up to 5 family members. Step 4. Enable Apple TV Plus sharing under subscriptions. 2. Sharing an Apple TV streaming device. An Apple TV hardware device can be used by multiple people in the household. Each person can have their own profile for personalized recommendations and preferences. How to add a new user on Apple TV. Step 1. Open Settings on your Apple TV. Step 2. Select Users and Accounts. Add New User. Step 3. Sign in with the Apple ID of the new user. Step 4. Each user will have individual app settings, watch history, and recommendations. Third, simultaneous streaming on multiple devices. Apple TV Plus allows up to 6 simultaneous streams, 1 per family member. Purchased or rented movies from Apple TV app can be streamed on up to 5 devices at once. 4. Downloaded content and offline viewing. Family members can download Apple TV Plus content to their devices. Downloads are available for offline viewing, but each account has a limit on the number of downloads. 5. Can you share Apple TV Plus with friends? Yes, through family sharing, but all members must be in the same Apple family group. Apple does not allow sharing Apple TV Plus by giving out login credentials, as family sharing is the only official method. 6. Can you watch Apple TV Plus in different locations? Yes, family members can access Apple TV Plus from different locations, as long as they are part of the same family sharing group. 7. Does Apple TV Plus have a watch party feature? No, Apple TV Plus does not have a built-in watch party feature like Prime Video or Disney Plus, but users can use FaceTime's SharePlay to watch content together. 8. Can you share Apple TV subscriptions, like Apple One? Yes, if you subscribe to Apple One, it can be shared through family sharing, including Apple TV Plus, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, and iCloud Plus. 9. Can you share purchased or rented movies? Yes, purchases from the Apple TV app can be shared using family sharing. Rentals, however, can only be watched on one device at a time. Apple TV can be shared through family sharing, multiple user profiles, and simultaneous streaming. The best way to share Apple TV Plus is through family sharing, allowing up to 6 people to enjoy the service with their own accounts.